Hello, it's your friend Finn here. Dove Love Books presents Rooted in Identity, The Joy of Being You. And Chapter 1 begins with the theme, Wonderfully Made. This chapter invites us to explore the idea that every child is truly one of a kind. Rather than being copies of one another, each child possesses their own unique qualities and strengths. This perspective encourages us to celebrate individuality and recognize the special traits that make each person distinct. Psalm 139:14 serves as a powerful reminder that every individual is fearfully and wonderfully made by God. This verse emphasizes the unique value and purpose inherent in each person. It encourages us to recognize and appreciate the distinct qualities that make us who we are. By reflecting on this scripture, we can find reassurance in our identity and worth. Many children struggle with the belief that they are not enough, a message that can deeply affect their sense of self-worth. However, the truth is that each child is created with intention and care. God made every child on purpose, giving them unique qualities and value. Recognizing this truth helps to replace feelings of inadequacy with confidence and hope. Every child deserves to know that they are cherished and significant just as they are. Reflection questions are designed to help children think deeply about their experiences and feelings. They prompt kids to explore moments when they feel pressure to fit in, encouraging self-awareness and honesty. These questions also guide children to recognize and appreciate their unique qualities, fostering a positive sense of self. Additionally, they invite kids to consider what God says about them, supporting spiritual growth and reassurance. Through thoughtful reflection, children can build confidence and a stronger understanding of their identity. Mirror Moment encourages children to pause and reflect on their unique qualities. By writing down 3 things that God did well in them, kids are guided to recognize and appreciate their strengths. The activity also invites them to express one of these traits through drawing, nurturing both self-awareness and creativity. This simple exercise helps build confidence and a positive sense of identity. You are God's masterpiece, uniquely created and deeply valued. To explore this message further, discover the full guide available in both English and Spanish. The book covers feature-illustrated children, reflecting the diversity and richness of identity. For easy access, simply scan the QR code displayed or see the link on this bio. Rooted in Identity is designed to help you embrace and affirm your true worth.